Good morning one and all. Welcome to my channel. Coming to the 15th question. The 15th question is, for what values of n are the nth terms of two APs? There are two APs given in the question. What is the first AP? The first AP is 63, 65, 67 and so on. The second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. The second AP is 3, 10, 17 and so on. What they have asked you is, for what values of n are the nth terms of two APs? Two APs are given. For what value of n will be the nth terms equal? That you have to find out. So you have to find out an of AP1, an of AP2 and equate both of them. An of AP1, an of AP2 and equate both of them, because that will give you the value. Coming to AP1, if you go to AP1, A is equal to 63, D is equal to 65 minus 63 equal to 2, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You will have 63 plus n minus 1 into 2, 63 plus 2n minus 2, 61 plus 2n. So your An for first AP is 61 plus 2n. Come to the second AP. Come to the second AP. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 10 minus 3, that is 7. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. It is 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. It is 3 plus 7n minus 7. It is 7n minus 4. It is 7n minus 4. The first one also, if you take it as first n and then the constant term, it will be 2n plus 61. It will be 2n plus 61. So this is your first thing you got. This is your second thing you got. An. These are your Ans. So now consider these two. Now consider these two. Solve them. 7n minus 4. What is our condition? They both should be equal. So 2n plus 61. Our condition, this is condition. They both have to be equal. So 7n minus 2n equal to 61 plus 4. 5n equal to 65. N equal to 65 divided by 5. Therefore n equal to 13. So for n equal to 13, the ninth terms of two given APs are equal. Therefore, for n equal to 13, the nth terms of given two APs are equal. This last sentence you have to write for each and every sum. The 16th question, determine AP whose the third term is 16, seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. The given thing is third term is equal to 16. That is A3 is equal to 16. That is A plus 2D is equal to 16. So this is one thing we are having in hand. And the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. This is one thing what you are having. The other thing is A7 equal to A5 plus 12. A7 is A plus 6D, A plus 4D plus 12. You will have a and a gets cancelled, a minus a plus 6d minus 4d. You will have 12 plus a minus a gets cancelled, 2d equal to 12, d equal to 12 by 2, therefore d is equal to 6. Once you get d, you can find a by using any one of the equation. To find a plus 2d is equal to 16, a plus 2 into 6 equal to 16, a equal to 16 minus 12, 6 2 is 12, a is equal to 4. So you got a as 4, d as a 6. Find the next 3 terms. So your general form of AP. What is the general form of AP? A plus D, a plus 2D. How many terms they have asked you? Determine the AP. They have told you to find the AP. A plus D, a plus 2D and so on. This is your AP. Sorry, AP is 4, 4 plus 6, 4 plus 2 into 6 and so on. Your AP is 4, 10, 4 plus 12. 4 plus 12 is 16. Hence, AP is 4, 10, 16 and so on. 4, 10, 16 and so on. Check out with the D. 16 minus 10 is 6. 10 minus 4 is 6. So your answer will be correct. Hence required AP is 4, 10 and 16. Coming to the 17th question. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13 and so on till 253. Read the question once again. Find the 20th term from the last term. Earlier we didn't have questions of this type. From the last term we didn't have. From first we used to start. But in this question we have find the 20th term from the last term of the AP. So when the last term of the AP, from the last term when you have to take, you have to reverse the given AP. So what you have to do? You have to find the 20th term from the last term. 20th term from the last term. So you take the last term first now. Reverse AP. Reverse your AP. 253. So you will have 13, 8, 3. Here A is equal to 253. D is equal to 8 minus 13 equal to minus 5. Correct? 20th term means your n is equal to 20. 20th term means your n is equal to 20. Find A20. What you have to do to find A20? A20 equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus 20 minus 1 into D. A is 253 plus 19 into your D is minus 5. 19 into minus 5 will give you minus 95. 253 minus 95 will give you 158. Therefore, your A20 will be 158. Hence, the 20th term, this last line, don't forget to write the last line. Hence, the 20th term from last is 158. Remember children that in this question they have asked you 20th term from the last term. Whenever such question is asked, you have to reverse the AP and then your A changes. 253 will become the first term here, and of course your D will be successive term minus the preceding term. You will get it as minus 5. The formula continues. A20 an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Formula will be same. Only you have to reverse the AP writing. Coming to the 18th question. The sum of 4th and the 8th term of an AP is 24 and the sum of 6th and the 10th term is 44. Find the first 3 terms of AP. So the sum of 4th and 8th. So we have to take A4 plus A8. A4 plus A8 is equal to 24. 4th term, 8th term. A4 is A plus 3D. A8 is A plus 7D. A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. Let it be our first equation. The second condition is sum of 6th and the 10th term. A6 plus A10 equal to 44. A6 is A plus 5D. A10 is A plus 9D equal to 44. So we get 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. It's our equation 2. Now we have to solve equation 1 and 2. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. 2A plus 14D is equal to 44. Change the signs. 2A gets cancelled. Plus 10 minus 14 is minus 4D. Plus 24 minus 44 is a minus 20. So D is equal to minus 20 upon minus 4. D is equal to plus 5. To find A, take any one of the equation. Let us take 2A plus 10D. 2A plus 10D is equal to 24. And 2A plus 10 into D value is 5. Substitute. 2A plus 10 into 5 is 24. 10 into 5 is 50. 2A plus 50 is equal to 24. 2A is equal to 24 minus 50. 2A is equal to minus. So minus 50 plus 24 will give you 26 minus 26. A is equal to minus 26 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to minus 13. So what is our A? A is equal to minus 13. To find the first 3 terms. To find the first 3 terms. So our first term will be A, second term will be A plus D, and the third term will be A plus 2D. So A is minus 13. So we will have minus 13 plus 5, minus 13 plus 2 into 5. So the 3 terms will be minus 13, minus 8, minus 13 plus 10 will give you minus 3. So the first 3 terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. You have to write the last sentence. Therefore, the first 3 terms of AP are minus 13, minus 8 and minus 3. So this is your 18th sum. So question number 19. Subbarao started work in 1995. So in the year 1995 he started work. With what salary? 5,000 rupees. So this will be our A. He started work with 5,000. Then in the year 1996 he got an increment. 5,000 plus 200 increment he got. It will be 5,200. So this is the second year. In the next year he got 2 more 100 increment. So it will be 5,400. So our AP will be 5,000, 5,200, 5,400 till where? The last year he went on getting like this. The last year he got 7,000 rupees. So in which year did he get? This is our first year, this is second year, this is third year, and so on. So which year did he get 7,000 rupees? Our N will be question mark. Now come to the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is our D? You can see everywhere there is a 200 increment. So D will be A2 minus A1. D will be 200. So A is 5,000 plus N minus 1 into 200. AN is 7,000. So this will be our AN. This will be A1, this will be A2, this will be A3. So this will be 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. So this is 2,000 divided by 200 equal to N minus 1. So 2 ones are 2 tens are 10 is equal to N minus 1. Therefore 10 plus 1 is equal to N, hence N is equal to 11. Therefore, in the 11th year, his income will reach 7,000. Therefore, in the 11th year, his income will reach how much? 7,000. Question number 20. The last sum of this exercise. Ramkali saved rupees 5 in the first week. So the first week she saved how much? Rupees 5. So this will be our A. And then increased her weekly salary savings by rupees, her weekly savings by rupees 1.75. So every week she increased it, means that will be our D. So first week 5 rupees means second week it will be 6.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become 20.75, therefore this will be our A1, 20.75. So the first week salary was for rupees 5, that will be our A. The D will be 1.75 because that is the weekly saving. AN will be 20.75 given because that is the savings of the nth week. So N is equal to question mark. Coming to the formula, you have to use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So it is 20.75 equal to 5 plus N minus 1 into 1.75. If you take the next is going to the next step, 20.75 equal to 5 plus 1.75 N minus 1.75. So 5 minus 1.75 will give you 5 minus 1.75 will give you 5 minus 1.75 plus 1.75 N. This if you minus, you will get 3.25 plus 1.75 N. This is 20.75. So you can write 20.75 minus 3.25 is equal to 1.75 N. 20.75 minus 3.25 will give you 17.50 equal to 1.75 N. So it is 17.50 divided by 1.75 equal to N. Here also we have after decimal 2 numbers. Here also we have after decimal 2 numbers. So you can remove the decimal 1750 divided by 175 is equal to N. Therefore, n is equal to 10. So what will be your last statement? Hence, n is equal to 10. Hence, n is equal to 10. They have asked you n